Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is time value of money. Time value of money is the concept that money you have now is worth more than the identical sum, the identical amount in the future due to its potential earning capacity, The core principle of finance holds that provided money can earn interest, any amount of money is worth more sooner it is received. You see that suppose a person has an opportunity to get rupees 1000 at January 1st, 2001 and also an opportunity to get rupees 1000 on 1st January 2002. This 1000 on 2001 is worth more. Why? Suppose interest rate is 10%. Now this amount to reach 2002, it can earn rupees 100. 10% of 1000 is rupees 1, and at 2002 January 1st it will be 1100. It means that the amount which is early received is worth more than the identical amount received later on. This is actually on the basis of interest. This is only on the basis of interest. Now, actually this topic is the time value of money. The very concept is this, but it is the study of interest. Now, the next topic, simple interest. Time value of money depends on interest rate. Suppose you have rupees 1000 in 2001 January 1st. If the rate is 10%, you will have on January 1st 2002 1100. If the rate is 20%, you will have 1200. It means it depends on the rate of interest, and it is the study of interest. Time value of money is the study of interest. Interest is of two types, simple interest and the compound interest. What is simple interest? Simple interest is paid on the original amount of money that you invested and not on any interest that it has earned. सिर्फ जो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट होगी उस पे इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, बाकी जो इंटरेस्ट वो अर्न करेगी उस पे नहीं. The formula is I is equal to PTR, where I is equal to interest, P is equal to principal amount, T is equal to time in years, and R is equal to rate of interest. Suppose you have rupees 1000 interest, you want to calculate interest. I is equal to, suppose you have invested rupees 10,000. Time for 5 years, and the rate of interest is suppose 12%. It means now the interest will be rupees 6,000. It is for 5 years. Suppose you want to calculate for 1 year, then it is equal to 10,000 into 1 into, it is equal to rupees. You see that in 5 years, 12 into 12 are 5, 6,000. Every year you will get only 1,200. No change. Every year the interest will be the same. It is simple. And if you want to calculate partial year's interest, then the time, suppose you want to calculate for 6 months, it will be 6 over 12, it will be 600. This is possible. Any fraction of year, it is half year, it was half year, it can be 1 over 3 year, any portion of year interest can be calculated. If you want to calculate in terms of months, suppose amount is the same, rupees 10,000. You want to calculate for 7 months, 7 over 12, because time is given in years. 7 months over 1 year, and the rate was 12%. The amount will be 700. 700 rupees will be for 7 months. Even you can calculate 2 years and 5 months, then 2 years and 5 months. This will be the time. In this way you can calculate the simple interest. From simple interest we can also calculate the compound interest. I tell you, inshallah. From the simple interest we can calculate compound interest. How it is? Suppose we have amount rupees 8,000. Rate is 12%. Compound interest for 2 years is required, is to be calculated. Now, how compound interest is calculated by the formula of simple interest? We will calculate interest of 1 year by simple interest by this formula. This formula we calculated the simple interest. 8,000 into 1 year into 12%, it comes to rupees 960. We will add this interest because compound interest, I shall tell you the definition, is the earning of interest on interest. Now it will become 8,960. Now the interest will be calculated on this amount. It means the original amount plus interest. Interest will be calculated on both these amounts. Now it will come 1,075 rupees and 20 paisa. Now that you can see, in simple interest was 960, but when interest was added in that, the amount is increased. And if it was only simple interest, year to year it was 960. But because we have added interest in it, the amount of interest will increase. Now how we will calculate the compound amount, or you may see a future sum. You add this amount in this, and this is the compound amount after 2 years. Now here is a question. Capital amount is rupees 20,000. Interest rate is 6%. Time is 3 years. Please calculate simple interest and also compound interest and answer it now.